Okay, so this is my problem. I just bought my new Hero 10 GoPro, and I started it, turned it on. It asked me for the firmware update. I tried doing it through the Quick app, but it didn't work. So I just downloaded it on my MacBook, and then I dragged it to my SD card, which I bought with the camera. I bought it on AliExpress. Uh, so this was the seller, the store that I bought it. Oh, where is it? So here it is. GoPro Hero 10. Let me just open it. It says GoPro Global Store. So this is the problem. When I turn on, after I did the update, I tried turning it on, but the camera just won't turn on. It tries to turn on, but it doesn't. So I just press the button. It tries turning on, but it can't. And it keeps beeping, keeps flashing the lights, but it doesn't turn on. See? It will beep again. See, it tries to turn on, but it doesn't. So I tried resetting it, holding the power button for 10 seconds. Sometimes it shows powering off. Sometimes it doesn't show anything. Let me try again. Hold for 10 seconds. It will turn on. I think it's already 10 seconds. But it doesn't do anything. Let me just try holding these two buttons together. It says powering off. Let me try again. Okay, it turns on by itself. It doesn't do anything. I tried removing the battery. And plugging it to the cable. I tried different types of cables. It doesn't have any SD card on at this moment. So when I turn it on to the power plug, it just do the same thing. See, it tries to turn on, but it doesn't. The screen tries to turn on, but it doesn't. Okay, so now the camera is plugged in to a power source, but it just doesn't turn on. It keeps flashing the lights, beeping, trying to turn on, but it doesn't. When I tried updating the firmware, the screen showed a configuration logo, and it kept that way for maybe an hour or two, but it didn't do anything. It just froze on that screen. It didn't turn on, neither off. So I just didn't know what to do. I removed the battery, it turned off. When I tried turning it on again, it just did this thing and didn't do anything else. I tried erasing the data from the SD card and plugging it on again, but it didn't do anything. It's just this thing. See? Okay, so that's the serial number for the camera. It says C3461324896502.